It's just a matter of days until Nvidia creates a new all-time high. Today, we analyze Nvidia. However, we take a look at a higher time frame in order to determine where Nvidia will head next in the near future. If we start this analysis here on the monthly time frame, we always have to determine the underlying trend first. On Nvidia, it's not too difficult. Basically, starting back in 2012, Nvidia created a significant strong uptrend. You can see that we always saw crazy impulses towards the upside, which were eventually followed by quite harsh corrections, crazy impulse correction, and over the past couple of years now actually, starting back in 2022, Nvidia created the next significant bull run. From bottom to top, we saw a rally of 1,350%. All of this has not been too unexpected because starting back in 2015, Nvidia actually entered into a so-called quite strong rising channel formation, where on the one side we do have this lower green support trend line just connecting all of the previous significant lows, and on the other side we do have this upper red resistance trend line just connecting all of the previous significant highs. Therefore, as you can see, just a couple of months ago, back in mid-2024, Nvidia perfectly retested this upper red resistance trend line. I published a bunch of analysis explaining all the reasons for which I do expect at least a short-term move lower, and overall we saw a correction of minus 40% on Nvidia. Just about 2.5 months ago, Nvidia then perfectly retested a significant previous horizontal support, which was furthermore exactly at this psychological $100 level. We saw the perfect retest followed by textbook bullish confirmation on the smaller time frames, exactly around this $100 level. So also here, the quite recent strong move towards the upside of plus 70% has so far been 100% expected. As we're speaking, Nvidia is actually retesting the previous all-time high, which, considering that Nvidia did not break it towards the upside yet, is obviously still acting as resistance. But if we especially look at the smaller time frame, momentum is extremely strong. I mean, even on the monthly, it took just 2.5 months for Nvidia to rally another 70% and to once again retest the previous all-time high. What I honestly do expect now is a simple all-time high breakout. First of all, as you can see in the past, always when Nvidia retested the previous all-time high, it was followed by a breakout. Second, as I already mentioned, we do have quite strong bullish confirmation. And third, after this breakout, there is literally no clear resistance above price. We then only have this upper red resistance trend line once again coming in, which would be around this $250 to $300 level. And this means if Nvidia breaks above the previous all-time high, which is exactly at this psychological $150 level, we could see another rally of approximately 50 to 70% towards the upside. If you enjoyed today's analysis of Nvidia, and if you found it any helpful, I really much appreciate if you smash the like button below this video. I will see you tomorrow with a fresh breakdown. Don't get caught up in any of the short-term moves. Keep your long-term vision.